Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android 10 Q system special head unit for Toyota Hilux 2016 to 2019 years. Okay, let me introduce this unit. It comes with special harness and canvas box. This canvas box and the special harness. So plug and play. Okay. You can check it built in the microphone and the reset hole. This left button and Belsee UI interface. You can choose the time. You can choose logo. You can check settings. Belsee is manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. Okay. Let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. You can check connected Wi-Fi. Support 4G and hotspot from your phone. It's left button. Okay, car settings. Personal setting, LED settings. You can change the back color with red. Change the gray, orange, blue. Any color you can adjust this panel. Let me change the red. Okay. This back. Okay. And check the storage. Total 64 GB. Okay, for Wi-Fi you can open the site. Amazon.com. Let me check our website, belsee.com, Belsee.com. Okay. And back home, let me check the settings. About the machine, you can check the MCU and the CPU PX5. RAM 4 GB and the Android 10 system. You can check. Okay, let me back the home. You can check this SIM editor. You can change the SIM color. Also change any color. Okay, let me change red. All apps are here. It's built-in DSP amplifier. This DSP amplifier. And Bluetooth. And this Z-Link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Built-in. A built-in Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. Built-in Google Maps and radio. You can search the radio stations. Music, video. It supports steering wheel control settings. Okay, first let me introduce the Bluetooth. Okay, you can check these settings. This pin number 40. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. Open the Bluetooth and click search button to get the device. You can check connecting Galaxy S12 Plus. Let me try again. Doesn't show the okay, you can put the 40, click OK. Okay, connected. You can check paired device and show Bluetooth echo. You can make phone call. Okay, Bluetooth work. Okay, this is Bluetooth free phone call. Let me show the stream music from your phone. Okay, let me open my app. Music app. Okay. Okay, this is Bluetooth streaming music. Okay, let me show the video and the music. There are two USB cable. This USB driver. Let me connect one with USB. Okay, connected. Okay, it will play music automatically. And the DSP amplifier. You can adjust balance. Okay, let me check the video. Video disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. And find the settings. Car settings, drama settings, turn on the watch video, turn on, okay. Okay, it's support play USB 1 video, 4K video. Okay, and let me check this is our website, belsee.com, belsee.com. Okay, if you have any more questions, please contact to us belsee.com. Okay, that's all. Thank you.